Welcome to this detailed guide on how to insert the Rupee symbol in Microsoft PowerPoint on the web. In this tutorial, you will learn how to access your presentation and find the Rupee symbol using PowerPoint's built-in tools. Begin by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint loads, focus on finding and opening the presentation where you need to insert the Rupee symbol. It is important to make sure your presentation is ready on your screen so that the subsequent steps apply smoothly to your project. After your PowerPoint presentation is open and visible, identify the specific slide and text box where you want to insert the Rupee symbol. When you locate the text area, click on it. This action activates the text field so that any modifications you make, including inserting symbols, will be applied exactly where needed. Taking this step ensures that you are working in the correct section of your presentation. With your text field activated, move your attention to the top of the screen where you will find a series of tabs. Find and click on the Insert tab to reveal additional options for editing and enhancing your content. The Insert tab is where PowerPoint houses a variety of tools such as pictures, shapes, and, very importantly for this lesson, symbols. After you access the Insert tab, look for the symbol feature. Clicking on symbol will open a small window or dialog box that presents different characters and symbols. This is the next step where you will find the Rupee symbol among many other characters available for insertion into your text. The symbol dialog is designed to help you insert special characters that are not available directly on your keyboard. Inside the symbol dialog box, you will notice a drop-down menu labeled Font. In this menu, choose the option named Sabon Next LT. Choosing the appropriate font is a crucial step because it directly influences the character set presented in the dialog box. The Sabon Next LT font includes a comprehensive selection of characters, including the Rupee symbol. After you have set the correct font, carefully scroll through the list of characters until you locate the Rupee symbol. The list may be long, so it is helpful to slowly scroll and visually scan through the options until the Rupee sign comes into view. Once you have found the symbol, select it for insertion into your active text field in the presentation. This method provides an easy and systematic way to add the Rupee symbol without needing any additional software or copy and paste techniques. By following these simple and straightforward instructions, you can enhance your presentation with currency symbols that are accurately rendered. The entire process is designed to be user-friendly and ensures your document maintains a professional look. Enjoy enhancing your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation with the Rupee symbol, knowing that this guide has provided clear and concise steps to achieve your goal.